Want to speak fluent English without overthinking? Welcome back to Speak Easy Every Day. I'm Jack, and today Priya and I share simple daily hacks to boost your confidence instantly. Let's dive in. Hey Priya, good morning. It's so nice to see you today.
Good morning, Jack. Great to see you too. How was your morning so far?
I'm doing great. I woke up early, drank some water, and went for a short walk. Did you have your breakfast yet?
Yes, I had tea and toast, but I am still feeling a little sleepy today. What did you eat?
That sounds simple and healthy. By the way, what are your plans for the rest of the day?
I have to complete some daily tasks, check my emails, and then clean my room in the evening.
That sounds like a productive day. Do you usually stay busy on weekdays?
Mostly, yes, but I always try to take out at least 30 minutes for myself to relax.
Taking short breaks is really important for health. By the way, Priya, how do you practice your English speaking skills?
That is a very good habit. Well, I try to practice English daily, but sometimes I feel nervous because I make small grammar mistakes.
Honestly, speaking out loud every day helps a lot. Even if no one is around, talking to yourself in English builds confidence.
Does that really help? I also started watching English movies with subtitles, and it helps me learn new words.
Making mistakes is completely normal. The main goal is to communicate your thoughts clearly, not to be perfect.
Yes, I try to write down new vocabulary words in a notebook whenever I hear something interesting. Writing things down helps your brain remember them longer.
That is an awesome strategy. Watching movies or listening to podcasts improves your listening power and pronunciation.
I completely understand. How do you stay calm and composed under pressure when you have to address a crowd?
To be completely honest, my biggest issue used to be public speaking. Whenever I stood in front of a group, my mind went blank.
That makes a lot of sense. So it's basically about shifting your focus away from your own anxiety.
I focus on breathing slowly and making eye contact with a few friendly faces in the audience. It immediately grounds you.
That's a great perspective shift. You're already making remarkable progress, Jack. Having daily conversations like this will get us there.
Exactly. Once you reframe your mindset and view it as a simple conversation rather than a performance, it gets much easier.
I really appreciate your constant support and constructive feedback, Jack. It truly keeps me motivated.
Ultimately, the goal isn't just to speak English, but to express thoughts effortlessly and articulately in any setting.
Let's commit to setting aside 15 minutes every single day to practice advanced discussions like this.
Anytime, Priya. We are in this together, and practice makes all the difference. Practice brings fluency naturally over time.
Sounds like a solid plan. Have a wonderful and productive rest of the day, Jack.
Count me in! Consistency will yield great results. Let's reconvene tomorrow at the exact same time. You too, Priya. Take care and see you tomorrow. Bye!